Beloved South Africans, this is Mandisa Mthembu, the President of the Reformed Government of South Africa. For the past 31 years, the so-called democracy has been ineffective in enforcing human rights, bylaws, and immigration laws. Most of the governmental institutions, functions, hospitals, clinics, police stations, municipalities don't serve the purpose they were intended for. The Human Rights Commission's main purpose was to enforce directives, SA human rights and laws, ensuring it holds the government accountable, but it has totally failed. Instead, it advocates for foreign illegal immigrants and their rights. For this reason, I'm disbanding it completely. And all current foreign employees fortified their employment status in the SA Human Rights Commission. In its place, the SA Civil Rights Commission will be established, which will put the rights of the South African people first and hold all government institutions accountable in serving the people of South Africa in a timely manner. The main Civil Rights Commission will have offices in all SA 9 provinces, and it will enforce state anti-discrimination laws for housing, employment, education, health, safety, and security, and credit consumer protection for all South African people, ensuring that South African people's civil rights are protected and that no foreign national benefits from the resources meant for the native South African people. The mandate of SA Civil Rights Commission is to investigate complaints of social injustice, discrimination, and educate the organizations, companies, landlords, associations, and SA citizens on their rights and responsibilities under the South African civil rights laws. All South Africans are born sovereign, free, independent, and have a certain natural, inherent, and unalienable rights, among which are the enjoying of life and defending life and liberty, their existence, and of acquiring possessions and protecting property, and pursuing and obtaining economic opportunities and safety in their country of nativity. In the provision of credit on the basis of race, color, sex, or sexual orientation, the Commission also has authority to protect consumer rights from exploitation and against discrimination conducted by financial institutions. The Commission will appoint an administrative law judge to preside over all complaints and financial administrative hearings. All rulings from the hearings will be legally binding. No court will be allowed to appeal the authentic findings of the presiding judge at the SA Civil Rights Commission. The SA Civil Rights Commission will provide substantially equivalent protection as a state law enforcer in the areas of corruption, nepotism, systematic discrimination, and non-service delivery, with offices accessible in all South African towns, regions, cities, and in all 9 provinces. From 1st January 2026, Human Rights Commission ceased to exist in South Africa, and it will be replaced by the SA Civil Rights Commission. The people of South Africa, their needs, dignity, rights comes first is the motto of the SA Civil Rights Commission. May you have a prosperous, wonderful 2026. Thank you.